Welcome back to Investor Stream. Prodigy Gold has unearthed a new prospect at its 30% owned Lake Mackay JV with mid-tier miner Independence Group, with the recent drill program uncovering multiple intersections more than 10 metres wide at the Phreaker Prospect in the project's south. I guess what we all want to know is, what do these results say about the potential size and scale of the Lake Mackay project? To answer those questions, Prodigy Managing Director Matt Briggs has been good enough to join me to chat through what the results mean and what's next for the emerging explorer over the coming months. Tune in. Matt, a very busy week for Prodigy Gold, so thanks for taking the time to join us again. Firstly, you've reported that RC Drilling at Lake Mackay has identified a new prospect at Phreaker, which is defined by a kilometre-long EM conductor and copper mineralisation extending 250 metres vertically. Given this new prospect is located a considerable distance south of the recently drilled Grapple and Bumblebee targets, what are these results telling you about the potential size and scale of Lake Mackay?
So we're out there systematically drilling through about 63 targets, which is a true belt scale project. Every hole that we've drilled so far has intersected some sulfide, which means the airborne EM, which was the primary targeting tool, has been very effective at screening the area. What's really significant is these recent copper results are quite a distance away from the original two discoveries in the area. So that reinforces the potential for the whole belt to yield base metal and gold discoveries. And secondly, as you point out, the scale of this system, 1,000 metres long and 250 metres vertical extent as currently drilled, it's much larger than those original discoveries as well.
Thanks, Matt. So turning to your 100% owned Bluebush project, ongoing aircore drilling is targeting deposits analogous to the 14.2 million ounce Cali gold mine. How's this program shaping up, and what should investors be looking for in these latest results?
We have large areas in the Tanami that have never been drilled, and they've got the same rocks and the same structural setting as the Cali deposit and other large deposits out in the Tanami. So what's important about these is we're out there doing broad space reconnaissance drilling, and to get 0.7 grams in broad space drilling is significant. So we're just finalising as we speak immediate follow-up aircore drilling to infill before we look at doing some RC to see what we've got there.
So it sounds like a very busy few months ahead. But Matt, are you able to give listeners a quick recap on what they can expect to see from Prodigy Gold over the coming months?
We have many irons in the fire, and that's been the strategy of the company. In our 100% exploration, we're still waiting for the Capstan East aircore results, following up the 4 grams we got in aircore there last year. We have additional aircore drilling about to start at Capstan South, and as I mentioned, we'll follow up at Apatwonga as well. On the horizon, we have RC drilling planned at Capstan, following up the gold in the northern part of the system there, and also a co-funded diamond hole up at the Superjack project, and that's just our 100% exploration. On the JV tenements, we're still waiting for results to be finalised for 3 of the targets at June. On the Newcrest JV, we're about to start additional aircore drilling on the regional targets out there. The RC drilling is still drilling at Lake Mackay, so 5,000 metres are planned for this quarter or thereabouts, and we're still waiting for results from the holes already drilled on top of those that we announced yesterday, and we're waiting for the final permits to come back on the new Newmont JV as well. So lots of work already in the bag and results waited, and a lot more activity planned to be completed.
Well, we'll certainly be tracking the progress over the coming months. Matt, thanks for your time.
Thank you.